Hello friends, it's Rain here from Rain's Kitchen and Garden. Today I have my Rottweiler Raven with me. She's a 9-year-old puppy. Is she a 9-year-old puppy? Is Raven a 9-year-old puppy? Is Raven a 9-year-old puppy? Yes, she is. She's so adorable. Oh my goodness. I've had Raven for 4 years and it feels like she's been next to me forever. But I have noticed that she's having a little difficulty pooping lately. She seems to be straining. Yes, Raven. Oh, thank you. Stinky kisses. She seems to be straining a lot. She only does little pieces at a time. She seems to have to run around the yard before she can go again. She's just having difficulty pooping. Now, Raven is a gal who doesn't drink much water. And she's also prone to urinary tract infections. I do give her a cranberry pill every morning to help with the urinary tract infections, and that's been good. But the difficulty she's having pooping is kind of, it's concerning me. So the first thing you think about is if she doesn't drink much water, she needs to drink more water, right? To keep the plumbing going. Now, how do you get a dog to drink more water? The simplest way to do it is to put water in their food. So that's what I've been doing. So every night I prepare her food for the next day. My pets eat twice a day, so I fill her kibble into 2 Tupperware containers and I add water to the kibble level. In her morning meal, I always add that half of a cranberry pill just to make sure that she's safe from urinary tract infections. So I did this for a couple of days and she was getting better. I noticed that her poops weren't as hard, but she seemed to still be straining. So with each of her meals now, I also add a spoonful of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin mix, that has spices, just the puree. You could also add sweet potato. Both pumpkin and sweet potato are high in soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber helps to form the poop, and the insoluble fiber helps the intestine to contract to promote movement of the bowels. I also add a few drops of olive oil to her morning meal as well. These containers stay in the fridge until I need them, and then I just heat them up in the microwave. I usually add a little bit more water to Raven's meals, just to make sure it's like a little bit of a stew for her. Oh my gosh, she loves it. She jumps up when it's time to eat now. She never used to do that before. When you warm up their food, it makes it more appealing for them because they can really smell it. So they love it when it's warm. For all the other dogs as well, I add a little bit of hot water to their kibble and I mix it around and I just let it sit for a few minutes before I give it to them. That way they all are able to have a little bit of a gravy inside of their dish. So guess what? I noticed that these frugal little fixes worked. She's not straining anymore and she seems to be having more normal poops. I'm so happy for her. You know, anyone who knows the pain of any kind of bowel issue, we would never want to put our pets through that, right? So I'm really happy that I could help her naturally without having to resort to taking her to the vet or giving her any kind of pharmaceutical medication to help her. She's doing so well now. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a like and please do subscribe. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to leave me a comment, friends. I love your comments and I reply to all of them. And please share this video with anyone you might think will enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time on Rain's Kitchen and Garden. Bye!